Right, welcome back to the Selenium4 Features series. Right, the previous session we have seen architecture, right, difference between Selenium 3 and 4. Right, in today's session we will see what is Selenium Manager. One more Selenium4 feature is Selenium Manager. What is Selenium Manager? Right, before that, we will see in Selenium 3. Right, how we have handled right while executing the scripts. Right, we require a driver. Right, we need to keep the driver. Right, this Selenium manager, what it will do, it will download automatically, right, that Chrome driver. We no need to explicitly manually download and keep it in our project. Right, we don't require that. We can eliminate now. Right, before that in Selenium 3 we will just recollect it how we have done so far. Right, we will understand in better way. Quickly let me create a project. Right, just give the right, quickly create the project and then just right, open the form file and just from the Selenium 4 right previous project, just copy it, all the dependencies. Just we need to change the version of Selenium to 3. Right, what is the last stable version? Right, we have to get the what is the just open it. Right, open the browser. Just go to Selenium Maven dependency. Right, we can Selenium Maven. Right, Selenium Maven dependency. What is the last stable version of version 3? Right, 3.1415. We can take it. 3.1415. Just update, save it. Right, it will download automatically. If you see under right, it is downloading later the Selenium 3 version. Right, if you see the Maven dependencies, it is added Selenium 3 related URL files. Right, now we can quickly create one simple class. Right, we will write driver test. Right, driver test. Okay, fine. Now just create the other test method, public void, right, something Chrome driver test. Okay, import it. Right, import. You can mouse over and import or Control Shift O shortcut is to get the imports. Right, then quickly we can WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. Here the Chrome driver object. Now driver dot get. Right, just to open the any simple URL. Right, for this URL only we will take Selenium. Right, any URL we can put. Right, now just try to run it. Right click, run as test engine. Right, if you observe, it is failed. Why it is failed? In Selenium 3, right, we are getting illegal state exception. Illegal state, the driver executable must be set. Right, it is asking for driver must be set before executing. How to set? System dot set property. Then key pass the WebDriver dot Chrome driver. Then we have to give the path of the driver. Now how to download the driver? Just go to Google. how to download the right, just Chrome driver for Selenium or Chrome driver download. We'll go to Chrome driver download. Right, go to first one. Right, here if you want to get the latest one, just click on here. Right, 133. Before downloading, we have to verify what is our Chrome browser version installed in your machine. Chrome driver installed, right? What is the version we need to verify? First of all, how to verify? Go to help, about Google Chrome. Right, click on it. Loading slowly. Okay, 133. Right, 133. My browser version is 133. Now here it has become very slow. Right, if it is both are synced, 133 stable version, right, we can download the stable version of 133. How to download here? After clicking here, it will show different version. Then we are using Windows 64-bit. Right, Chrome driver, come down. This is the browser. Right, this is the driver. We have to download this Windows 64. Windows 64. Copy this. Enter in the browser. Right, it will download. It will download the drive. Okay, it is downloading. Is it downloaded? Yeah, I think it's downloaded now. Suddenly what happened? My system was running very slow. Right. We have to set we have to download manually Chrome driver and need to set. This is one way, and alternative way is right to avoid the system property in Selenium 3. We have used WebDriver manager. Right. We can use the WebDriver manager concept. Right. WebDriver manager and dependency. Right. First we'll see whether is it downloaded. Yeah, it's downloaded. Extract it, right click, extract driver, red Chrome driver, just copy, red copy this, red paste in SRC test resources. Right. Then right click on property, copy the path. For now just I am hard coding. Right, copy the path of the driver where the driver is. Right, now download. Now download. Now execute it. Right, after download, just place in the SRC test resources and then right execute. We no need to keep it here. Outside also we can keep it, give the path. Right, see, now it is open browser and open the URL. Right, without any issues. Right. Right. But what is the problem here? If you download manually tomorrow, browser is updated to right 134, 135. Right, it is very difficult. Right. Again, we have to download. We have to remove it and yeah. For that, in Selenium 3 alternative is WebDriver Manager. Right, there is a third party jar file is there, WebDriver Manager. By using this, we can avoid this setting, downloading manually and setting the property. Just we need to add the dependency. Okay, just save it. It will download automatically. I am commenting out this system.set property, but here we have to write one line of code. WebDriver manager, WebDriver manager dot Chrome driver dot. Right, we are using Chrome driver, so Chrome driver dot setup. We have to call this, then it will automatically download the latest version of the driver and it will set up the path. Right now, just run it. Right, detecting test engine version. Right now it is, see, Chrome driver is started. Right, Chrome driver is started. Right. In this way, we can avoid the manually downloading the driver. Right, by using WebDriver Manager in Selenium 3. But coming to Selenium 4, right, we don't require these two ways. We no need to manually download our WebDriver Manager also we don't require. Selenium people itself, right, they have provided Selenium people itself, right, they have provided the Selenium Manager like WebDriver Manager, Selenium inbuilt, they have developed Selenium Manager to take care it, to download the latest version of the driver and then setting the path. Right, we don't require anything. Just we need to create the object. Just run it. It will automatically open. Right, what is Selenium Manager? It is introduced in Selenium 4.6.0. If we use the lesser version, we need to follow WebDriver setup. Right, but here in Selenium 4 we don't require. Right, it will automatically download, configure, manages the browser drivers without requiring manual intervention. We don't require any manual intervention of it. Right, then right, if we are using Selenium for greater than 4.6, right, we no need to set a system.set property. We no need to know Windows environment variable, no system path setting, no WebDriver manager. Right, we don't require to set anything. Applicable to all languages. Right, what it will do internally? Right, Selenium Manager discover the browser version installed on our machine. Right, it will automatically discover what is the version installed in our machine where the Selenium tests are executing. Using the browser version, the respective driver version identified by Selenium Manager. Right, the driver artifact is downloaded using driver version. Right, whatever version is identified, browser version installed in our system, corresponding driver will identify Selenium Manager. It will download. All driver binaries are saved to the local cache folder. Right, when next time when you are running, if it is already available, it will not download it again. It will take from the cache itself. Right, how Selenium Manager will work? Right, identify the installed version and finds the matching version of the driver, fetches the appropriate driver if not available, set up the driver in the system variable, seamless execution. Right, what are the advantages of it? No manual setup. We no need to set up system.set property. Selenium Manager automate this process. Version compatibility handling ensures correct WebDriver version is used. Reduces compatibility issues. Cross-platform support works on Windows, Mac, or Linux without requiring different setup process. Faster text execution setup. faster test execution setup. Right, reduces the time to need to prepare test environment, and WebDriver dynamically it will downloads. Works with major browsers, better maintenance and debugging. Right, we no need to worry about the driver setup. Right, this is system side property we can avoid. Right, then where to check this driver file. Right, we can go to C drive, user, right, G, right, your name will be there, then dot catchy folder Selenium, then go to corresponding which one, Chrome driver, Windows 64. Let's see, today it is downloaded 133, right, 9.2, right, it is downloaded, 133 is not available, it is downloaded this driver, see Chrome driver. Right, if it is a older version, it will download it again. If it is already available, it will not download, it will use it. Right, limitations of Selenium Manager only supports major browsers, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, but not Safari. Safari is not supporting. Internet connection anyway. If you want to download, internet connection is must required. Right, sometimes we will work on remote missions. Right, we want to execute. There might be sometimes we will not get internet connection. Right, in those cases, right, we have to, right, we need a internet connection. May not support some older browsers. Right, may not work a very old versions of it. Right, Selenium Manager is a game changer for the WebDriver management automating setup, reducing the errors. Right, it eliminates the need of manual handling of the driver. Right, this is the one more feature of the Selenium Manager. Right, in Selenium 4 just we need to write this one, it will automatically, right, once we start execution, right, it will check what is the browser version installed in our machine, it will download the corresponding driver and set up the path. We no need to worry about it. Right, is that? Right, see, it will automatically open the browser. Right, if you like my way of teaching and the content of what I am presenting, just please like, subscribe, share to your friends, comment it out. If you have still any doubts on anything, right, in this topic, just comment it out. I will try to explain more. Right, if you want to give suggestions, please feel to give the suggestions. Right, thanks for watching.